ang bansa nato papuntang Singapore. Kung hindi man, at least at the very least yung mga members at saka yung pamilya ng mga members ma-secure. And then when we go for the foundation, yung mga communities matutulungan natin. Kasi yung foundation, pagka may initial capital yon na papasok ng corporation or ng cooperative, ipapasok doon as donation, makapagpailaw kunyari na 10 barangay o magpatubig o whatever project. There's so many under the sun na pangangailangan, each unique to each municipal barangay, na ang laking tuwa nila na merong nagke-care, meron pang mga Pilipinong nagke-care. Lahat tayo gipit, for example, pero kahit papano may nailabas tayo para lang simulan ito. And that's the beauty of it eh. And then, pagka nagawa yun, the foundation gains credibility, it gains traction, then it can now get funds as grant from other entities abroad who have so much money, they want to pour in sa mga matitino na organizations.